Hapadeng kecele ke sarkar ban pensionuri ki briu ban aitika ya dano COVID-19 ki bonru ki jingkin tho bar ki jingong ki bele persha pat yakni ki jingthu jang ke sarkar. Habaikram kila pathai khubor menteri ka ka koi ka khia ba el hek ula banjor halor ki jingong bo bleu ya rap yagitu ki behrap ya ladie. Uang bagi jingkran persha jong katu kat ni kade ga dau ka bakhang ne pen arti ni ki briu ban mi shakmat ban aya katika.
God helps those who help themselves. So many arguments will be there, so many debates will be there, so many opinions will be there. But my opinion is very clear. God helps to those who are help them themselves.
Halor ka jinglot na kabenta banthi dikini ki dawai injek uba el hek uang ba ka jingko jingkhia ju ki briu ka dei ka badan kamdo.
It is a duty born of the government. How to save the life of the people. If we have to borrow, if we have to ask from any other sources, also we have to provide vaccines or anything which is related to save the life of people.
Ulapan tibru balapan bon shu ki jingthia ki hospital barha ki corona center bala yor usta shipodali ki ambulance lingba ka North East Special Infrastructure Development Scheme.